Now, NBC5 responds, unfair denial or discrimination.
A Chicago couple trying to start a family says a major insurer is refusing to cover their medical bills, not because of the medical procedures involved, but because of who they are. Lisa Parker has their story.
Not very long after their very first date, Adam Motes and T. Lamb discovered one major thing in common.
Yeah. That was one of the first things we talked about. What really sealed the deal was we knew that we both wanted family, and we knew we wanted it soon.
And soon is now. After the Chicago couple married last year, they started planning, and the stars started aligning. First,
Bye.
Good luck.
See you later.
Adam's best friend offered them a priceless gift.
It was definitely emotional. It's a very intense process for the egg donor. She was so willing to offer that to us.
It's a beautiful thing to be able to help.
The next need, a surrogate, and another offer from their own lives.
It's a lovely thing to have a friend help out in this kind of situation.
Yet finding each other, finding a donor and a surrogate, they say, turned out to be the easy part.
We just never imagined that one of those obstacles would be that our health insurance company, Blue Cross Blue Shield, would deny us the same coverage that they would extend to any other couple in our position.
Any other couple, straight or lesbian, they allege, would have had egg donor-related medical costs covered. Theirs were denied. And Adam says a Blue Cross Blue Shield of Illinois agent in a recorded call told him exactly why.
Because we're a male-male couple using a surrogate. Those were their exact words in a recorded conversation that they won't give me.
If that sounds problematic,
They were just asking, I think, to be treated fairly just based on being people rather than a man or a woman.
their fertility doctor says it would be. Egg donor costs she has seen covered.
For heterosexual couples and lesbian couples, yes, but not for same-sex male couples with any insurance.
To help appeal that denial, Dr. Mary Woodmolo wrote Adam and T the letter they say Blue Cross requested, explaining why these two men cannot become pregnant.
And it was very obvious that Adam and I cannot have any kids. I mean, I don't know how much more obvious it needed to be to even write it down.
But that simple fact is crucial in the eyes of Illinois' fertility mandate, a law that requires coverage for anyone unable to conceive after 1 year of trying. Only certain employers are exempt from that law. Adams
I am an assistant state's attorney for the Cook County State's Attorney's Office
is one of them.
in the Criminal Appeals Division.
Despite that exemption, Cook County says its policy does meet the state law, that its 22,000 employees and their families have access to extensive coverage for fertility treatments, including egg donor procedures, regardless of their sexual orientation. And the county says it did intervene here, asking for a full review by Blue Cross, its claims administrator, but didn't hear back, still leaving open the question of why this denial.
That would be very, very concerning to me. If the insured in this case is not getting coverage because he is married to a man.
A concern the American Civil Liberties Union says is very much a current one.
There are a lot of protections in federal and state law to make sure that people are not treated differently because of their sexual orientation. And I would be concerned in this case that that's exactly what might be happening.
Blue Cross declined to answer our specific questions, but after NBC5's inquiry, Adam says changed course and paid about $2,000 of the disputed claims. In a statement, the company says it is committed to providing quality health care to members consistent with terms of their benefit coverage, regardless of sexual orientation. A struggle that has slowed, but not changed, this dream.
There's really nothing that could take away from our excitement for starting the family. There are just things that have made the process more difficult.
And the rest of the disputed charges here are now under review, Adam says, as he and his husband await more good news. The embryo transfer to their surrogate happens any day now. Lisa Parker, NBC5, responds.
All right, Lisa, trying to get some answers there.